The bourse ended on positive territory. What's the scene like today?
Oh, well, that ended today. The market ended on a bearish run. From the beginning of the week, the market had gone on a bullish trend, but it ended out today. The all-share index closed marginally down 0.4% to close at 22,968.21 points. In the top gainers category, we had Law Union and Rock, we had 7-Up, and we also had Altri Briscoe, all gaining top points. We also had in the top losers category, we had NACO, we had NACO and some other stocks. Staco Insurance also part of the top losers today. Staco Insurance lost maximum 5%, while the other stocks lost 4.9%. The market today ended the bearish run, although marginally, but we've seen that the two-day gain has been ended today.
Well, it's midweek. Why did the bourse end on negative territory?
Well, although marginally, we're going to see a lot of profit takers. As soon as the stock gains a bit, we're going to see a lot of profit takers getting in and taking their gains from the market. There won't be any sustained bullish trend in the Nigerian stock market till the issues of confidence and liquidity are thoroughly addressed. And going towards the end of this year, we might see that, but as of right now, we won't see any sustained bullish trend in the stock market in Nigeria.
Well, how long do you expect the profit taking to last for? Do you expect the bourse to close like that on Friday as well?
Well, the time is a very tentative one. We cannot say with such conviction that, okay, this is the time such trends will end. Profit taking will always occur. A lot of people have lost a lot of money in this market, so we cannot say with definite precision that this is when such profit taking will end. But as soon as the issues of liquidity, issues of confidence is addressed thoroughly, then we can see a lot of sustained bullish trends in the market.
Well, a glimmer of hope for the Nigerian economy. There's going to be a stimulus package of about $2 billion US. But where will this money come from initially?
This money is coming from the excess crude revenue that's accrued over the years. The excess crude revenue currently stands as 11 billion. With this stimulus package, it's going to reduce to like 9 billion. This money is going to use, half of it is going to use to pay contractors that were owing, the government contractors, contractors that have been owned by the government, and realize that these contractors were part of the reasons that the banks, for the non-performing loans in the banks in the first place. So by paying out these contractors, these monies can actually seep down into the capital market in this sense. The other half of the money is also be distributed between the federal, the state, and the local government, and this will be used for infrastructural growth and a lot of the other things. The concerns are, as is usual, why are we spending, if I might call it, shock money? Because the excess crude revenues, the excess crude account, is what aids Nigeria in terms of in the recent global financial crisis. It prevents us from shocks from the global economy. So there are fears that why are we spending this money again? This money has reduced drastically. From the beginning of the year, it was like 11 billion. A lot has been withdrawn from it to fund the international independent power projects. But this is a necessary thing because the Nigerian market is in debt of liquidity. We need liquidity in the system. So it's a good side. This money should, if it is well spent, if it is well simmed down, the effects will be felt even in the capital markets in the coming weeks.